Okay. Sige. So kung wala naman taga outside of the Philippines, mag-Tagalog tayo. Okay. So we have 2 land cover projects. Pero priority pa rin naman natin yung 3D matching. Hindi pa tapos. Meron pa rin remaining tasks that are filled up. Guys, alam ko yung iba sa inyo nagpo-pull na sa 1789 nang walang nang hindi alam kung anong gagawin. So, sorry, bago pa mag-start, ngayon pa lang sasabihin ko na dini-activate ko yung mga filter ID na hindi pa umaattend ng training pero nag-acquire na at nireset ko yung mga task nila. So, nagsayang kayo ng oras. Intindihan niyo ako? Kasi hindi pa naman sinabing pull kayo ng pull, tapos pag tingin ko ng mga task, mali-mali. Okay? So, hindi ko na babanggitin kung sino-sino kayo. Alam nyo na kung sino kayo. Okay? So, sayang yung mga pinul nyo, sayang yung mga sinubmit nyo kasi lahat yon binalik ko. One from Kenya? Okay. All right, guys. So, unfortunately, let's get game. Okay. So we have a new tab today. It's we have 2. The first one is the first one is a filter work tab. It's tab 1789. It's very easy. It's a quick nature land cover project. Okay. So let me share my screen. Okay. Can everyone see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So, log in using your filter ID. How many did I open? Okay. Then the sub-project ID is 1789. Your cache size, please limit it to 3. Okay. To prevent stuck tasks. All right. Sorry, I did not clear first. Make sure you always clear your user folder before you start working. All right, there you go. So once you have set your software to A and W, it will automatically download the task. Okay. So the area is pretty small, but what we have to check is if it's a forest, a shrub, water, or snow. Okay. I believe I posted the training material for this. Please check it because I will not discuss the training material because it's a little bit lengthy and it's your job to actually read the training materials before you work. So if you see it's a water and if it's tagged correctly, okay, so you can approve the task already. Another one. So this could be water. Just focus on the area that you need to check. So this is the area. So just check if the entire area is covered correctly. There. Are we clear, guys? The only time you will fail, okay, the only time you need to fail a task is if it's a big error. Okay? You can edit pass. Here. So here's an example, guys. So this one, I can see this is the ocean part. I don't know if this is a ground or what, but when it's high tide, maybe the water goes up to here. We don't know. But this one is definitely land already. So I can delete this portion. So for water, this I'm sure is water. This, no, I'm not sure. But I'll capture this. Why? Because I can see here that the water will typically go here if the water rises. So I'll capture this. The neighbor did it wrong, this one. So I don't know who did that. But when I get to the reviewer side and I saw who did that, we'll definitely get a mass pushback. So for this one, see my neighbor. This one, I don't know. It's an error because there's a break in the image. So I'll just tag this as water. I'm sure this is water. Capture everything as water because I'm pretty sure this is all water. And those small holes, guys, make sure you capture them. This one, yeah, we cannot say this is a shrub, technically. This is not a shrub. So you can't say this is, I can say this is part of the water. There. And I will report my neighbor. So whoever did this, okay. So this is not a shrub, guys. Read the training material so you would recognize what a shrub is. Understand, guys?
Yes.
Next. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is a shrub. This one. This I can confidently say is a shrub. So I will capture this as a shrub. This one also is a shrub. And change it to shrub. There, as I've told you, it's a shrub. And this one is also shrub. So use S, capture quickly. So no need to be very exact with the shape of the shrub. Just make sure you capture the main, I mean the shape. That's okay. Then use E to fill out the water parts. Understand? Then submit the task. This, I don't know if this is a shrub, but I can't see. Oh, we'll check that on the reviewer side. So this one captured perfectly, so approve the task. Approve. Who else is pulling the task aside from me?
Oh, so cool. So cool, Mom. I love this toy. You want to watch it? Yep.
Is SXF9 here? Ah, guys, is XF Amiel 09 here? See here? No? Over training materials have been sent by Dor. Please check the group chat. Okay. I'll block his ID if he's not here. Website is so slow. No guy. Except Amiel Unay. Who knows him? Okay. All right. So if the error is actually very big, you can send the task back to the reviewer side. I mean, to the labeler side. You can fail the task. Here, guys. So for this one, guys, you can accept the neighbor capture. So I think this is already okay for me. So just make it consistent. Capture the water portions that need to be captured. So no need to be very accurate, guys. Huh? There is no reason to be very accurate. For this one, actually, it's a big error. But if I am working the labeler side, if, right, if this is labeler task, so I think this is the submitted wrong. So if I am the labeler, I will capture the water part.